I'm Tiffany Messer, and I'm an assistant professor here at the Biosystems and Agricultural Engineering Department. I study water quality and how water moves, particularly in ecosystems. So our group focuses on wetlands, streams, and particularly contaminants, both things that are new to water, but also things that have been in the water for a while. Today we're going to be doing an experiment for you to see of how things move through rivers. Inside of our river here, we actually have a few objects that we're going to see how, based on how the water is moving, what moves. So in here we have rocks, we have a rubber ducky, we have a dinosaur, and we actually have some straw that you would have that might come off of your yard. And we're going to test to see which one moves most quickly and kind of wins the race for this particular system. Okay, so we just finished our experiment and we had 4 objects that were moving: our straw, our rubber ducky, our dinosaur, and our rock. And what we found is that our straw was the first one to come down our river. Part of this reason is if you look at this, it has holes in it, it's very light, so it's going to be moving as the water moves faster than something like a rock, which came through last, which is much heavier and larger in the size. Our rubber ducky came through second, and then third was our dinosaur. And the differences between these is this one actually is much more dense than our rubber ducky. So this one's going to be moving a little bit slower than the rubber ducky, which is inflatable. And that is our experiment today here at the Biosystems and Agricultural Engineering Department. Thank you for joining us.